Hello, this is Niels, head researcher at hypergrowthstock.com. We're bringing you the daily market report for Tuesday, February 17th. Well, I hope everybody had a nice President's Day long weekend. It looks like investors came back well rested as the Dow Jones Industrial Average is off to a fairly strong start this week. According to some of the headlines this morning, fear over Greece's sovereign debt problems is starting to weaken off. European countries continue to talk about developing a contingency plan for a bailout in case Greece does default on its debt. And the talks of these bailouts is helping to boost optimism. Investors are moving away from the safe haven investments like the US dollar and US treasuries and into other currencies like the euro and also into stocks this morning. So let's take a look at the market. We can see the Dow gapped up from Friday's close. Today we opened at 10,112 and we continue to make new gains. In fact, we're trading at 10,200, really close to some interesting resistance levels. We still are in relatively broad range right now for the market. I'm just going to bring up a daily chart and show you this range. So here we are. We're sort of caught near the top, but we still have a ways to go. We're showing this is the range that I'm looking at with support at 9,900 and resistance at about 10,250. So right now we're just at the 20-day moving average at 10,200. So the second chart I want to show is the euro versus US dollar. On Friday, the euro hit a 9-month low against the greenback. And as we can see this morning, it's starting to bounce off that low. Right now, it's trading at around $1.37 USD. And let's just zoom in and take a closer look at this chart. In currency markets right now, it's the big battle is between risk aversion and risk appetite. And right now, we're seeing a rise in risk appetite. People want to get away from the US dollar and into other currencies. But the major chart I want to show this morning is gold. Anytime the US dollar weakens, gold jumps higher, and we can see that this morning in GLD, which is the biggest gold ETF on the market. So GLD actually broke through resistance at 108 and opened up today at 109.47 and continues to hold on to these gains. Right now we're trading at about 109.74. A lot of investors are waiting for a break of 110. That would be a major buy signal for a lot of people and could spark another rally to eventually the December highs of 119.54. As we can see, gold is off to a very strong start, jumping well above the 20-day and 50-day moving average. So that's all the headlines for this morning. Thank you very much for listening. Tune in tomorrow for another edition of the Daily Market Report. Thank you very much.